everything. This God who runs not just the earth, not just our galaxy, but all galaxies. This God who spoke a word and said, let there be, and everything started spinning. This God who is a circle. Ezekiel says a wheel in the middle of a wheel. He's a circle because a circle has no beginning or end. A line has a starting place and an ending place, but a circle just goes on and on and on. This wheel in the middle of a wheel said, let there be, and wheels started coming out of his mouth. Suns and earths and galaxies and everything he spoke in a circle started spinning around and around in a circle. A circle is a cycle, and a cycle is a season, and God spoke it and everything started spinning it, and he stepped back and began to run the circles because he's a God who sits on the circle of the earth. In other words, he's got everything up under control. Your life might look crazy, it might seem crazy, it might feel crazy, everything might be spinning like you are. Piece of clay on the potter's wheel, and you are, but what you got to understand is that when the potter spins the wheel, he controls the rhythm with his foot, and your life is in his hands, and he's got control of what